Dear students, in this unit we will talk about amphibians, which means three groups of amphibians: salamanders, frogs, and caecilians. Now, amphibians are the vertebrate belong to tetrapoda, which means they possess four limbs in order to survive and live on the terrestrial environment, which means on land. Now, the term amphibians basically means it's a Greek word which means dual life. Why they are called amphibians? Because they have to spend some part of their life on land, on terrestrial environment, but they have to go back to the water where they have evolved from in order to accomplish certain part of their life and to perform certain actions. Now, these two phases, water as well as terrestrial environment, is very important in their life cycles. Amphibians are the only true living true vertebrates that have made a transition from water to the land successfully in both ontogeny, mean in their developmental cycles, as well as in phylogeny, which means that they successfully came out of water and inhabited the land and terrestrial environment. As you can see, there are three major groups of amphibians. Number one is frogs. This order of amphibians is characterized by a short body, webbed digits. You can see their digits are webbed. As you can see here, there is a web in between their digits. Then their eyes are bulging or protruding outside, and they have bifid tongue which help them capture their prey, especially the bugs which fly around them. And these are known as exceptional jumpers. They don't have tails. When they developed into adult organisms, their tail diminishes, which is present in their early larval form. And they are classified in the same order, these frogs, as in toads. So toads and frogs are basically classified and placed in the same order. Then we have another order in amphibians which is called salamanders. Salamanders is characterized by the presence of a lizard-like body. So their appearance is like lizard. Lizard is actually group of reptiles, not the part of amphibians, but these amphibians, they have body like lizards, and it's a very drastic transformation. If we look at the body of a frog, it's quite different from frog bodies. It has a slender lizard-like body with short noses and long tails. Then we have a third major group in the amphibians, which is Caecilian. Caecilians are actually the amphibians that resemble like earthworms or snakes. As you are aware that snakes are also not part of amphibians, but they are placed in the reptiles groups, and these Caecilians are just like those. They live normally in the underground, in the hidden places, and where they don't have to move much because they don't have limbs, so locomotion is a big problem for them.